Welcome to Rainbow Chefs Academy. I live in Austin, Texas, and today we will be cooking together. Today we will be making red and green grape parfait. Let's try that. These are the ingredients we will need. We will need green grape, red grape, yogurt, granola, and cinnamon. Now we will need 3/4 cup of green grape halved and red grape halved. Let's start this. Now when our grapes are ready, we're ready to start making our parfait. Right now, we will grab the yogurt, put it at the bottom layer. Then comes the granola, and then the grapes. After that, we will repeat those same layers until it reaches the top. Let's try that. Now let me give it a try since it's all ready. So delicious, and it's very healthy. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye! Hello everyone, and welcome to the Rainbow Chefs Academy. My name is Yara, and I'm a Rainbow Chef, and I live in California. Today, we will be making fruit salsa with cinnamon pita chips. Here we go. Here's the finished product of our fruit salsa, which is full of rainbow. For your fruit salad, you can use your favorite fruits or whatever is in season. I will be using oranges, kiwis, blackberries, strawberries, and canned pineapples. If you have access to fresh pineapples, you can use that instead. For your fruit salad, you're going to cube your fruits and put them in a bowl. First, take one of your strawberries. Before you cut your strawberries, make sure you wash them first. After you're done washing them, cut off the top like this. And put your tops to the side. After, you're going to cut your strawberry in half like this. Then, the same thing the other way. Now for the blackberries. Just like the strawberries, you're going to want to wash your blackberries first. When you're done washing them, use your claw and cut them in half like this. Then do the same thing the other way. Now for the oranges. First, cut around the top like this. Then peel the rest of the top off with your hands and peel the rest of the orange with your fingers. For your kiwis, you're going to want to peel them first, then cut. Now I'm going to move on to my canned pineapples. I'm going to open the top. It should be fairly easy, but if you need help, it's always a good idea to ask an adult. For the pineapples, take a spoon and take your chunks out. Then, cube them like you have been doing for the rest of the fruit. Here's the finished product of our fruit salsa, which is full of rainbow. I'm going to pair the cinnamon pita chips with the fruit salsa. Delicious. I hope to see you soon back at Rainbow Chefs Academy. so we can continue our journey of cooking and eating healthy together. Bye! My name is 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗍 and welcome to the Rainbow Chefs Academy. Today we'll be making an ambrosia salad. So, without further ado, let's get started. So going under, folding out the top, round in a circle, getting every single piece coated in that whipped cream. And there you have it, ambrosia salad. We're now going to begin preparing our mise en place. So in front of me we have vanilla extract, heavy whipping cream, agave syrup, shredded coconut, unsweetened shredded coconut, marshmallows. And then for our fruit today we have a banana, grapes, a few strawberries, diced mango, a green and red apple along with an orange. So in front of me, as you can see, we have all different colors of the rainbow. Red apples and strawberries, our orange mangoes and oranges, our yellow banana, our green apple, and our purple grapes. So we want to make sure that we're always eating all the colors of the rainbow through our fruits and vegetables. So we're going to start slicing and dicing our strawberries. So our strawberry, when cutting, we want to make sure that we're always using our pinch grip, which is our pointer finger and our thumb pinching on the end of the knife. And then the rest of our fingers are going to grip around the handle. And then to hold our strawberry in place while we start cutting, we're going to use something called our bear claw. We want to make sure that all of our fingers are tucked in nice and tight so that way we avoid being cut by anything. So first we're going to cut off the stem of the strawberry using a wave-like motion and applying pressure and then slicing through. So then you can discard the stems. From there, we're going to turn our strawberry on its flat side that we just made, and we're going to cut it and slice this. Continue to do this for the rest of your strawberries, and if you can, try the rest of your fruit. I know apples can be especially hard because they are extra crunchy, so if you ever need help, make sure to go grab your parents. They'll be more than glad to help you. Now that we finished cutting our fruit and we have a nice rainbow in a bowl, we're going to now start on our whipped cream. So again, I have heavy whipping cream, vanilla extract, and agave syrup to make our whipped cream. So we're going to set our fruit aside, and with our measuring cups that we have on the side, we are now going to pour half a cup of heavy whipping cream into our liquid measuring cup. So half a cup. We want to make sure that our measuring cup is on a flat surface and we're getting eye level to the cup to get an accurate measurement. We're going to stop right when we hit that line. We're going to set this aside and we're going to pour it in our bowl. Get every drip out as much as we can and then putting it in the sink for washing. Then we're going to get 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Actually, make that half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour it right in, rinse off our spoon, and then set our vanilla extract to the side. Lastly, we're going to use 2 tablespoons of agave syrup. Agave syrup is a very good replacement for any type of sugar that we use in baking or in drinks. If you watched our mango or berry fruit refresher that I made in another video, make sure to go check that out. If not, I used this syrup to sweeten our drink, which made it super duper delicious. So we're gonna now add it to our whipped cream. 1, 2. Perfect. So now we're gonna go give this a quick rinse. Set this aside and I'll be right back. Okay, now that we have all of our ingredients in our bowl, we're gonna now begin whipping our cream. So you're gonna grab a whisk, you're gonna tilt your bowl, and whipping is the act of whipping a lot of air or putting a lot of air into a liquid to make it thick and fluffy. So we're gonna use circular motions to whip as much air into our whipped cream as possible to make it light and fluffy. So you'll see me tilting my bowl, you'll see me making circular motions, you'll hear me, and your goal is to go as fast as you can. Now that we finished whipping our cream and it's nice and fluffy, we're going to now grab our fruit that we cubed up earlier. We're going to dump it in the bowl. We got our oranges, grapes, strawberries, apples, everything super yummy in here. Making sure we get every single piece. You can smell how sweet the fruit is, which is amazing. And now we're going to add in our
shredded coconut. We're gonna sprinkle that in. Perfect. And add in our marshmallows, my favorite part. So now that we have everything in our bowl, we're gonna now fold in everything so that everything gets incorporated and everything is coated in that delicious whipped cream. And there you have it, ambrosia salad. Thank you so much for coming along with me on this rainbow chef journey. Hopefully you enjoyed a little treat that we made today, and make sure to share this recipe with all your friends and family. If you like this video, go ahead and go down below and go subscribe and give this video a big like, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!